Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete order history on Temu. When you order something on Temu, then Temu keeps on the record of the order history. Now, to delete your order history on Temu, you need to first open your Temu application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. After this, here you'll be taken to home page. Now tap on You or the profile option on down. After this, you can tap on Your Orders option. Here you'll be able to see your order history. Now once you have made order on Temu, Temu keeps on all the history, enabling users to delete it. You can only delete your browsing history. For this, go back to You page. Then here you'll be able to see your browsing history. You can slide towards left and then here you can see All option. Tap on See All. Then here you'll be able to see all the items that you have browsed. To delete this browsing history, you need to select any of the browsing history or item. Then you can tap on three dots present. After this, tap on Delete option. With this, now the browsing history will be deleted. You can continue with the same process to delete all the browsing history. By deleting your browsing history, your order search history will be deleted. This is how we can delete order history on Temu. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.